My name is Pat McCune. I'm the President and CEO of Community Bank. I've known Nello Construction and the Torriero family and their president George Leisure for over 10 years. I retained Nello to do the construction project that we'll be talking about, both a new retail branch in downtown Washington and then the reconstruction of administrative space in the Millcraft Center in Washington. It was very important for us to stay on schedule and to predict when we'd be able to move various people. We had a temporary retail facility on Chestnut Street, and we were very anxious to construct a new facility. It was somewhat delicate because we had to keep the temporary facility open for as long as we could. Well, the space on the upper level of the Millcraft Center hadn't been remodeled in the sense of any type of reconfiguration of the space. And Community Bank didn't have a training center. And I needed a big enough space where I could put the technology and the furniture in to create a sort of a multi-use space. And we knocked the bathrooms out and we were able to reconfigure them next to the kitchen, create a new kitchen. And the old kitchen is a training center. So it's a very attractive space, actually the biggest room in the bank, and it had been a kitchen. Well, we did have one challenge. The lot on which the new retail branch was constructed, we discovered had a lot of fill, which isn't surprising. It's an old city lot, and there probably had been a couple of buildings that had been demolished over time. But the excavation was much more extensive than we expected. And in addition, the lot slope was a challenge getting the drive-through to fit. And we had to push the building back a bit more. But we worked through it. It worked out. I mean, I have a lot of regard for Nello. They're some of my favorite people. And I do business with them again, and I tell other people to do business with them. Yeah, they'll get the job done.